Alright, this is my first video of the e-Revo VXL. This is Diekin returning with another project of mine. Just got it today, brand new, of course, unopened. Brushless edition, e-Revo, 16th scale. And as you can see, it is voted the #1 RC car, mini scale extreme RC car of the year. I personally feel that the Revo in itself, the entire brand, should be marked the car or truck of the decade. As you can see from my other projects, I have my scooter here. And of course, I got my e-Revo located under here. Of course, I'm still working on that and stuff. So that project went well. Just got a few more minor changes I need to do on it, like the arms for the high-tack servos and the exhaust pipe. I couldn't get that RD Logic's tuner thing to work. Exhaust pipe sounds terrific, sounds like a monster, will wake up the entire neighborhood, but for whatever reason it's impossible to tune. And of course we do remember, well, this is actually one of my newest additions. I have the Traxxas Boss 302. It's made from the same Revo type body and e-Revo. 16 scale, runs pretty fast. And I have my other beast over here that I still need to work on. Just had a couple of mishaps on it, but it's a great car. This is my, oh, can't see it over here. Let me turn the light on. There we go. This is the Kyosho MP777 Inferno. I bought it gas for about $100, and I fully converted it to electric. If any of you guys are familiar with that conversion kit, I have it, the 2200 kV Mamba Monster system installed. I actually ran that for about 3.5, close to 4 hours using 4-cell LiPo batteries. I think the burst output on those are about 25, maybe 30 C on the batteries, and the highest temp it ran was 125 degrees, and the fan was not working. So if you're interested in getting a monster system, I would definitely go with the 8-scale Mamba Monster. Thing is really powerful. I love it. Anyway, this car is a beast anyway, so this little conversion cost me less, under $450, $500. Got the body for $100, Mamba Monster system, 240 conversion kit. Could have went with the Castle Creations conversion kit, but it put the ESC up here on the top. But I went with the actual Kyosho. I ran that about 94. So all in all, I'm still under $400. So I mean, it's a great deal. Under 450, whatnot. So anyway, great car. So tomorrow we will be starting a project on the e-Revo VXL. And if you have any questions, email me, kiodiekin@yahoo.com, KIODIEKIN, and just watch out for more information and more upgrades.